Everyone, so I'm going to go over lesson 1.7 products. So I'm going to do a couple, you're going to do a couple, and then you can come and ask me questions if you need to. So on this one, we have to convert the rational numbers so they are both fractions and are both decimals. So we have 0.3 or negative 3/10 and negative 11/30 and we have to find the product. Product means we are, let me turn this on, multiplying. So first step was we had to turn them into, well, this one, first step, they actually just wrote it. So write the problem. Step 2 will be turning them both into fractions. Convert to fractions. I always recommend fractions because sometimes decimals will become repeated decimals or things like that. Turning a decimal into a fraction is a lot easier than turning a fraction into a decimal most times, because we don't know if it's going to become a number that is easy, and we don't want to round our numbers. So I always recommend turning your decimal into a fraction. Then we're going to multiply across. And then you have to say, well, negative 3 times negative 11, 10 times 30 gives us a negative times a negative gives us a positive. Negative times a negative gives us positive, and 30 times 11 gives us 33. So that's how we got 33 here. Then we have 10 times 30, which gives us 300. So we have 33 over 300. So then we're going to simplify, and I'll show you how they got this 0.11 or 11 hundredths. So we're going to say, what can we divide both 33 and 300 by? Well, we can divide both of them by 3. And that leaves us with 11 over 100, which equals, we have 100 on the bottom, so we know that that 1 is going to end in the hundredths place. We can see it's 0.11. So negative 0.3 or negative 3/10, times negative 11/30 equals positive 11 hundredths. So then we're going to do some more practicing. Oops. Uh-oh. I guess that's the only one that... So those are the steps to multiplying fractions, guys. You're going to first write your problem. Then you're going to turn them either both into fractions or both into decimals, recommending that you turn them both into fractions, multiply across, and then 4 is simplify. So those are your steps. If you have questions, let me know. You should be able to fill out the rest of the packet from there. The answers to the notes are also on Canvas.